So let's go to book commands. All this stuff, book commands. And if I'm registering a book, it's going to be in our author, prompt for author. We need a new prompt for this. So we can go to CLI, prompts, CLI prompt service. Which one is the prompt? Prompt service. And we will actually, let's do this one. We've got a prompt for ISBN. String. It's gonna be an ISBN. ISBN. Build ISBN. So this is gonna get the ISBN number, book commands, register the book. It's going to prompt for authors, but then it's going to also CLI prompt for ISBN. And this is going to return the ISBN, I'm assuming, string ISBN. And then book request will also do ISBN there. And then we'll add that to book request. Cool. So now when we run this, we register a book, get the book title, Great People Matter, author Bob Jenkins, ISBN, and we just put, ISBN start with 7 something, 9780134494. 555. So now we have that in there. So I'm actually not going to add it because I forgot to put that in there. So if we go to database, go to books. The book could be added, but I don't think the ISBN is going to be added. Great People Matter. Here's the ISBN. That's because our service, it's commented out right now. Book service, register book, implementation. It's right here. It's going to take the book, and then the book, get ISBN. ISBN. Because registered book, take a book, and then go back to CLI prompts, CLI book commands. It's going to create a new book with that book DTO, create a new book, give it that book DTO. This book DTO is going to create a new book. It's going to set the title, the authors, and also book set ISBN is equal to the book DTO ISBN. So it's going to be a new ISBN. That, and then now this should work. So book register, very good book. Your authors one. ISBN 97801555555. And go back to here. Adds another good book, and now ISBN is in there.